Well, it was a really early night for me last night. I couldn't drink or eat anymore. I thought I was going to explode. Apologies again to Frank and Linda, who we were supposed to be having a few beers with, but honestly, I just could not stay in the pub now. I know that sounds a bit ridiculous, but I was done in. So I had an early night and got up in the morning and went for a little walk. Would he get it up or would he not? But first, a bit of an horror show. Good morning. Thursday, 27th. Always goes too quick, doesn't it? It's just coming up to 8 o'clock. Last night I had to have an early night. I had to. I would have in the bag. I would have exploded, I think, if I'd had any more drinks on top of that meal. So anyway, it's a lovely morning. So I'm just nipping around here to see if I can get my drone for a walk while that sun's coming up. I think it looks gorgeous. Yeah, so I was in bed for 8:15. Brought my Kindle. I've been reading the book and I've got about 4 hours left in it, and I was hoping to finish it this week. I've read about 4 pages. I woke up and it's on my stomach as I'm asleep. About 8:30. Oh, so, but if I hadn't done that, I carried on drinking. Today I'd have been rough. Can't do it anymore. Well, I've not been able to do it for years, really. I mean, I know I give the impression that I like a drink, and I do, socially. But drinking from lunchtime on a steady basis throughout the day and carrying on into evening, just can't do it anymore. A couple of days, that's about it. No, I don't think I'm allowed to go down that bit, but it'll be good because I can see a nice flat bit down there. But no, it's all. And that's where the electric fence is over there anyway, so I'll get through these trees, and see if I can wrap it up. Yeah, so we're off to Norwich today. As you're probably already aware of if you've been watching my previous videos. A couple of hours, 2.25 or something like that. Short walk. We've got to get some chicken for the salt and pepper chicken. Mine's been kibosh butter chicken. Well, see if I can. Yeah, then we're going to Bramerton Common. We probably will nip into the water's edge for a couple, as you do. And there's a little spot here just after the gate that I might be able to, but I need to be able to see really what I'm doing. Yeah, he'd be good. Right. Let's give it a try. I'm not sure how well it picked it up on the go up. Maybe I should have had more to drink. On the drone, I tried to follow a deer. And I think it must have heard the drone and then disappeared somewhere. I'm not walking too far up in now because we'll be going in half an hour, 45 minutes. But we shot off around this bend and disappeared somewhere. And there's a woman just walked down with the dog, so it definitely won't have hung about. Yeah. Can't see it. Right. Back to the boat, cup of coffee. See if Frank and Linda are up, because I said, well, probably think that I'm being funny with them. We didn't wait for them yesterday because we wasn't sure whether they'd changed their plans. It was 2 o'clock, and so we better. It just stopped. Well, it hadn't stopped. It stopped absolutely bouncing down. But we said we'll better set off now because otherwise we won't be back. And as we're walking back down this pathway, as you've already seen, we met them. So I said, well, we'll see you later. Because I was so stuffed and I didn't want any more beer. It's true. We decided to leave the pub just as they were coming in. So we said we'd meet them up and have a drink. So apologies, Frank and Linda. It doesn't always happen that I come out of a pub early. And I'll have to put this down now. I shouldn't have put these in. They're not walking trainers. I've got all sorts of grit inside them. Just come on. Yeah, so I apologise to Frank and Linda for not hanging about, but I had to go and have a lie down, definitely. Now, I was looking for them early on the boat, but apparently they were having a siesta. I did say, I think, on the camera, they're either in the pub or having a siesta. And that sounds like a good idea. I might try that in future. But it won't be this week. February. Now we don't know what's happening in February yet. It probably could be just land-based. Train, bus, me driving. Well, actually, I'm selling my vehicle. And I can fully retire. And if I do, then we'll have to come down in 2 cars. So, Colette said she'll drive us out, get us out to places, so that's okay. So we'll see what happens in February. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget if you want to win one of these t-shirts. That's not one of these actually. She's a grumpy old man t-shirt, but if you want to win an official water level checker, you have to be a subscriber. When I get to 1,000, which I think I'm only about 20 off, or I was. So yeah, that's a subscriber. It costs nothing, and it does help the channel. And give it likes and comments and stuff. And because I don't do this for my benefit, it's for you. Oops, how the bell's going. Morning. Some fishermen here this morning. Catching fish early doors. Well, if everything goes according to plan, well, it's 4 miles away, we could walk it from here, couldn't we? But if everything goes according to plan, we will be in there tomorrow lunchtime. No sign of movement. Well, I've had to bring my coffee over to the pub because I couldn't get a signal whatsoever down at the boat. So I've just done a quick shot of the surroundings, which is started off there, right round there, up there so you could see where I was, round there, and there's Carl having his brew. So about 15 minutes, so it doesn't look like we'll be saying see you to Frank and Linda. Anybody who thinks they're having a lie-in? Don't know where he's going. Well, if he's going right behind... Oh, bloody hell, look at that. Spilt me bloody coffee. He's going right behind Frank and Linda, that'll cheer him up. Because I think they are still in bed. This is your early morning call. Oh, he stalled it. Yeah, we'll have to get gone in a minute, unfortunately. Well, for anybody who was thinking of having a lie-in, I'm just going to have a quick walk around here. I can't see any sign of life, but they must be blooming heavy sleepers if they're still asleep with that racket going on. But it's now 9, well, it's 4 minutes to 9, so we're going to get gone in a few minutes. Just have a quick walk around, see if we can see any sign of life, and if not, I don't think so. Oh, I think somebody's waving, I think, yeah. Oh, no, is it somebody in the kitchen? Is it the galley? Or is it just a reflection of the trees? Well, I'm not walking down, I'm not deaf. I'm going to go down the path.
it on, doesn't it? And it's really not ungodly, is it? I think.
Has she seen me? Or is she hiding because she's in the PJs? She's not looking. Right, she's seen me now. We're going now. Good morning. We're setting off now. Did you enjoy your early morning call? Yeah, sorry about last night. I'd have died if I hadn't gone to bed, me.
Shattered.
Well, too much beer, too much food.
Yeah.
If I'd have carried on, I'd have been rough today.
Where are you going today?
We're going to go up to Norwich,
Oh.
just for a couple of hours, and then we're going to finish at Bramerton. You're heading back. Are you going across or? Yeah. Well, with the sound of the lawnmower and the setting out on my camera for the audio, I won't bore you with the details, but you can't select both forward and rear camera at the same time, and you can't switch while you're videoing. It's a bit of a pain. GoPro, sort it out. So we were just confirming the next time we will be down, and unfortunately it doesn't coincide, but no doubt we will bump into them again. I thought of telling Linda the story of when I was in that place in Wales with a very long name, you know, the one that go, get whatever. But I could have sworn I've told it when we were at Sutton Stayed. So anyway, so we bade each other farewell, and they was heading up north back because the boat's moored at Stalham, and we was heading up to Norwich. Thanks for watching, and I'd love more than 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.